Hi friends, today we are with the CAD and I will teach you how to draw the line and how to erase the line. So there are the two options to taking the line. Either we can take it from the command line or we can take it the ribbon bar. So I'll teach you how to take it directly from the ribbon bar. So I have to take my cursor there to the line command, near the line command, and pressing the left key of my mouse, and now my line command is activated. So I have to specify the first point of the line. So specifying the first point of the line means you have to press the left key of the mouse. So now we have already specified the first point of the line. Now it says you have to specify the second point or the next point of the line. So again you can take the second point and press the left key of the mouse. So now the line is drawn, and now we want to deactivate the command. How we can deactivate the command? There are two ways. Either you can press the escape of your keyboard directly pressing the escape mode, or you can press the right key of the mouse, and at enter you can press the left key of the mouse. So now the command is deactivated. So how we can erase this line now? So highlighting this by pressing the left key of the mouse. So we have highlighted this, and now I can press the right key of the mouse, and at erase I can press the left key of the mouse. Now this is how we have drawn the line and how we have erased the line. There is one more way of erasing the line, that is taking the command directly from the ribbon bar. So let me show you that one also. I will draw once more line. I will take the line command, and now I will specify the first point by pressing the left key of the mouse. To specify the second point, I can press the left key of the mouse. Now to get rid of this command, I can press the right key. At enter I can press the left key. Now the line is drawn. Now I will show you directly taking the erase command. So I will take the erase command by pressing the left key of the mouse. Now taking it near to the line and pressing the left key and then right key. So this is how we can draw the line and we can erase the line. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon of the channel. Thank you very much for watching me.